Hello Future Millionaire. In this video I want to provide proof of fund for all those people out there in the world who doubt that I can actually afford 111 Teslas. The location I am here right now is called Sovereign Island. I used to live here because I bought a land and house on this land, and yeah, we are going to go for a tour. I want to show you which house I sold and then use the money to buy Bitcoin Cash in the last few years, and that money has 10x, and that house money is only one part of my investment in Bitcoin Cash. So hello, so let's take a tour. Let's walk around and take a look. Let's see what kind of property did I sell, how did I sell it, and this is a very teachable moment, I would reckon, because a lot of people think this kind of properties are not affordable. Most people say things like, this guy, he's already rich and therefore he can buy anything he likes. That's not the case. When I was 18, I had $1,100. I started with nothing, absolutely nothing, okay? So you just need to be smart with your money. That's all you have to be. Now what I'm gonna give you a quick tour of the neighborhood here. I used to live here for almost 4 years. I know practically every single house here, because during my free time, I go to all the open houses. I look at every house and I study them. I know the owners, I know the neighbors, I know who is getting a divorce, who is getting a heart attack, and I know what I should do when the price comes to me, what I should do when I should reject something. All that takes a lot of effort and time. So I'll give you a good example. Here in this street, this is the most expensive street on Sovereign Island, Knightsbridge. And this houses used to sell for $3-4 million. Now it's probably all 10-15 million. And here in front, this big house here, I was part of the auction. They were selling a huge auction. The guy didn't finish the house, sold it off for 5.3 million. I was in the auction myself. I was the second highest bidder. I lost. That's okay, because the house didn't look like this. He put 27 million into the property and he sold it for 5.3. Now the guy who bought it for 5.3 is putting on the market for, I think, 50 million, $100 million. I don't even know. There's a Bentley. Those things you see all the time. So what I want to show you guys is those are the kind of property I'm always looking at. I don't look at average properties, because those average properties don't make any money, and you only have very few chances to buy a good property and live in it and sell for tax-free purposes. Yes, you heard me right. In Australia, if you are primary residence, you're living in, is getting sold, you have a profit, it's tax-free. Yeah, simple as that. Now, just give a small tour of this whole area.